Hi, my name is Robert Lawrence. Today we'll take about tips for driving my biplane. Um, how to board a plane. Find your board pass and how your language is stored. Other many airlines allow you to store your language and print your boarding pass online. You can do the same person the airport, enter the airport in the section for your airline and locate your counter. When you get this, use type for your main name and present your difficult document. The desk clerk will automatically print your boarding pass and store your language. Uh, my door security, you can go to a security section for you have your boarding pass of one hard you boarding language parade. Finish the boarding yet at the terminal pick up your bags and port the suitcase. Also, you can go and wait for your plane in the correct terminal. Check your boarding pass to serve what your terminal is, and your boarding gate. There must be many things that let your things are, but ask for help from a airport where worker if you cannot like the boarding head and the terminal. Is today. Bueno, is today is finish the tips. Thank you.